Oh, we got another 4 inches of snow. Getting kind of difficult to walk. I never cleared it last time when we got the 4 inches of snow. Anyways, welcome to Life on a Manitoba Farm. We're gonna hook this tractor up to the blower. Extend the center link out now. Fit it there. Guys, what are you doing? You're not chasing the cows away, are you? That'll do. Chase the cows away, Bunyox. Well, the plan is I'm going to move that around, those portable windbreaks there. And there's a bale there, so give them some fresh bedding. Just gonna give them a couple of bales of hay. This is actually gonna be my tripod here for now. Sitting on the ground because it's not frozen. This could be frozen around on the other side where it's been exposed on the outside. You got COVID? I think he's got COVID. I'll give you COVID. I will win. Frozen. portable windbreak back a bit, and we're going to spread that hay bale that I left there the other day. It was about half. I don't just like having everything concentrated in one area. Then this way here, we're kind of distributing our bull manure. Good. I think the bulls will be good here for a while. Probably 6 days. Well, the bull chores are done. All the cattle chores are done now. Well, I'm glad you stayed with us for this long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.